Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here with not one, but two awesome new recipes. It is officially summer, and sometimes just what we need is a fresh, light salad. But store-bought dressings are just so bad for you. They ruin it. They're full of preservatives, sodium, God knows what else. So I have two awesome gut-friendly dressings that you're going to love. So let's get into it. First up, we have a garlic tahini dressing. Here are the ingredients. You're gonna put all of them into a blender or food processor. All right, we have a 1/4 cup of raw tahini, all right? Throwing that in there. You may need to grab a spoon or a little knife to scoop out the rest, all right? That's what I'm gonna do. All right, see, we don't wanna waste anything. We wanna grab all of it, all the flavor. All right, and if you need to, maybe put a little bit extra to make up for anything that was left in the measuring cup, then go ahead and do that too. All right, next we have 1/2 cup of water. All right, simple ingredient, there we go. Pouring that in, beautiful. Then we have a tablespoon of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Boom, right in there. Awesome, awesome. Next we have 2 dates, all right? Dates, add a little bit sweetness to it. And don't forget to remove the seed first, all right? Definitely remove that seed. You don't want that in there when it's blended, all right? Bye-bye. And then we have 2 cloves of garlic. And that's it. So simple, so healthy. All right, we're gonna mix it all up now. All right, making sure everything is blended nice and smooth. All right, and look at this. Creamy, delicious garlic tahini dressing. There may be a few chunks of, date left over because dates are kind of hard to blend, but I think that would be a nice little surprise in the dressing. All right, I'm gonna clean up, I'm gonna set up, and then we got one more awesome recipe. Alrighty, now this one is completely different from our first one. We have a sweet citrus spice dressing, all right? Super interesting, super delicious. What we're gonna do is have 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey. I didn't have maple syrup, so I'm using honey instead. That's personal preference or whatever you have in the kitchen. They both work great, and you're like, wow, we're starting off with a sweetener? Yes, we are. Because honey is anti-inflammatory, it's antibacterial. It has lots of healing properties. So your gut loves honey, and maple syrup is a really great alternative. All right, get as much as we could there. Don't want to waste the honey. I love honey, I could be a little bee. All right, next we have juice from a lemon, either a full lemon or a lemon and a half. That's your choice, whether you like it a little bit more tart, whether you want or have a little bit more lemon. All right, so go ahead, squeeze that in there. Beautiful, nice, fresh. Lemon is great for so many things, digestion, all right, vitamin C, lots of good stuff. All right, very good. In we go. All right, and then juice from half of a orange, all right? Half of an orange. My orange I have here, oh, look how beautiful that is. All right, it's a little bit small, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the entire thing. So go ahead and squeeze that in there. All right, I'm going old fashioned here. I'm doing it by hand, all right? There we go. And then the other one. And then our last, almost last ingredient is going to be Italian seasoning or spices of your choice, all right? And then after that, cayenne pepper, which is optional, and then a little sea salt, or I'm using pink Himalayan salt, also optional, all right? Just squirted all over me. Ah! Okay, we're done with the orange. Done with the orange. All right, we're gonna add our Italian seasoning. All right, Italian seasoning, little cayenne pepper. All right, then a little pinch of pink Himalayan salt. And boom, there we have it. Now we're gonna mix it up. Ooh, yum. Look at that. Make sure that honey is nice and mixed around. You might even need to get a spoon for that. That's the only sticky ingredient here, so. Oh, you should smell this. It smells so good, so refreshing. All right, and then there we have it. It's like a citrus vinaigrette. So two completely different, beautiful. Oh, two completely different dressings, great for gut health. If you wanna make more than 1 to 2 servings, go ahead and double those ingredients. And if you want to store it, I would say no more than 3 days. Enjoy it in those 3 days. All right, we have our creamy tahini garlic and then our refreshing citrus spice. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy it and try it. Let me know in the comments below what you think of these recipes, if you're gonna try it, what you would like to see more of. All right, and I'll see you on the next one.